In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate ClickUp with Notion, making your workflow more efficient and connected. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance how you manage your tasks and documents across both platforms. First, let's dive into the ClickUp App Center. This is your starting point for bringing ClickUp and Notion together. Once you're in the App Center, you need to establish a connection with Notion. This step is crucial as it acts as the bridge between the two applications, allowing them to communicate effectively. While setting up this connection, you will be given the option to choose between a personal or workspace connection. If you're working on solo projects, a personal connection might be the best fit for you. On the other hand, if you're part of a team or collaborating with multiple people, the workspace connection will likely be more suitable, as it allows broader access for everyone involved. Take a moment to consider how you plan to use Notion within ClickUp and choose the connection type that best suits your needs. After linking the two platforms through the App Center, it's time to consider if you need access to additional pages within Notion. This step is optional, but it can be quite beneficial if your work requires insight into various Notion pages. To do this, navigate to your Notion settings and customize access permissions as necessary. This ensures that you have all the relevant information at your fingertips when you need it most. Now, let's shift our focus to getting the most out of this integration from within ClickUp itself. One of the standout features in ClickUp is the Command Center, which you can easily access by pressing Command or Control plus the K key on your keyboard. The Command Center is a powerful tool that simplifies locating and interacting with connected applications like Notion. Once you're in the Command Center, you can search for Notion directly. By doing this, you can quickly access your Notion workspace without leaving ClickUp, keeping your workflow seamless and uninterrupted. Finally, a fantastic tip for maximizing this integration is the ability to paste Notion links directly into your ClickUp tasks or documents. When you do this, previews of the Notion content appear right away, enabling you to view and refer to relevant information without having to switch back and forth between tabs or applications. This capability not only saves time, but also keeps all your important data in one centralized location, promoting greater productivity and efficiency. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate ClickUp with Notion, streamlining your project management and enhancing your team's ability to collaborate effectively. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy managing!